Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this will be a self-balancing scooter teardown. Since mine broke, as you can see right there, the frame snapped right in half. Now I will show you well, what's inside and take everything out. So here we go. Okay, hold up. Okay guys, so I have a star screwdriver here, or Phillips, whatever you guys want to call it. And I took all the screws out of here. Okay, and now the connectors are still for the charger, power on, and the lights back there. I don't know if you can see the light back there. There's a damn cat here. I gotta get him out of the way. Okay, enough of the cat videos. Hold on here. Okay. So now you can see the bare wheel almost pretty much here. Okay. So now I unclip this from the motherboard somehow. Okay guys, let me see. This is ridiculous. Now they have some kind of glue, I guess, for it to not pop out. God, that's ridiculous. Some kind of stupid glue. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but I've got the glue pretty much out. So, here we go. Just gotta pull the tab now. Push it and pull, pretty much. Okay, cat, let me move out of my way. Same with this one too, of course. Just need to get that glue off there, or whatever the fuck they put on there. Jesus. Okay, let's just try getting it out. Fuck. It's not Joe down here. You know, I'm getting on the floor for this shit. So. God damn it, I just had to pull it out because this is too much. Okay, now that we've got this cover off, side with the light, and the charger and the power button, it's all connected in there still. If you want to get them off, you have to take that glue off here and then unscrew this right there. You'd have to unscrew that to get the charger, it looks like, out. So, just like so. Okay, and then you push it through. What the fuck? Now I don't know how you get this through off of here. It's beyond me. Maybe like that? I don't fucking know. Couldn't tell you. If you know how they got this ring on there, then tell me. I'd be glad to know to take this out. That'd be neat. And that's pretty much all you have to do with the other side too, I believe. Okay, and now this, I don't know what that's for. So let's zoom out here. Let's see what that cable's all about. Okay, so I already have this off. The light's unconnected, right? Okay, battery's right there. I've already disconnected most of this here, so I can just pull it out and show you right now. There's the battery. Can't really read anything because it's all worn out. There's the big ass connector for it. So, okay, bottom of it. Okay, so there's the battery. This is the thing that blows everybody's scooter up, is the battery, because they damage it somehow. So, okay. And these things, these boards here have the motor on it, and I think it has the gyroscopes in here, same as on this board here, this little board here, if you can see it there. Okay, now if you're taking this apart to clean it, remember where all the wires go, right? All the connectors. So this one went for, or it went to this. This is the screen that pops up on here when you turn it on. So the battery or something, I think. One of them two. Okay. So let's take that out, I guess. The little chip. Okay. And then maybe if I flip it over, I might be able to tell you what it is exactly. If it's, oh, I can't really tell you though. Okay, that's just the power on one. Power on LEDs. See how small they are? Crazy. Okay. And then there's the connector for it right there. And then this goes right in here. This one right there. Okay. Now you're probably wanting me to take these black things off underneath the tire, which I am going to show you right now. Can't really talk loud because it's pretty late at night here. It's 12:21 a.m. so there's someone sleeping, one of my roommates, so gotta be respectful of that. Okay. There's 2 screws on each side of this, and there was 2 screws in here too. So I'm probably going to find some way to sell all these parts if I can on some kind of website. If anybody knows a website I can post the parts on, just let me know in the comments below, please. I know this is a bit of a boring video when I don't do any editing, so sorry if it's taking up your time, and it's quite boring. So okay, I'm going to show you guys something here. Okay, see this in here? Same as on this side here. This is underneath the chip. Okay, now when you step on here, these little things, so you can see, these will pop up, and Once these things go inside of here, it will register that someone's standing on it, and then that's when the board is activated. So in this chip, it has it on both sides, so I'm gonna have to look for an Allen key for that hole right there. So I might have to take the tire off later on. Okay, and I'll show you on this side about the same thing on here. I take this thing apart too. So, oh, and this becomes handy if you have a magnet screw tray. Just stick your screws onto here, you know. These are all the rest of the screws from the scooter. So that's why I like to just keep it over here. So taking this thing off now, okay. Now if you're doing maintenance for your board, and you're watching my video just for like a maintenance kind of thing, I'm just going to suggest just to take the two back covers off, dust around it, I guess, right? Clean it with some kind of a damp cloth, dry it out really good. Don't get the boards wet, any of these boards, obviously. Don't get the wheel well or the wheel wet. Don't drive in puddles, right? Because I've had some kind of weird noise in my tires when I went through puddles after. And it didn't dry up that great, so. And then, but yeah, if you want to just remove the battery, that's pretty easy. When you want to clean the board, just take the battery out, maybe clean around here, take the chips out probably if you want. Take these off, see how they are doing, look underneath them, see if they're nice and clean. Mine's a little dusty because I haven't had this cleaned in like a few months, so another board's broken, so see, same thing. But I'll show you here. Shit. That's a problem there, for me at least. I don't think I can pull these apart to get it through here. But yeah, see how scooter kind of cracked on me here eventually. And that's a really good crack all the way along here. So this looks like it's really, well, not really, but soft, kind of some kind of soft metal that they used. I got this off of Alibaba. It was only 600 bucks, and it lasted a good year, so I'm not too worried. Okay, so the battery light is underneath this. If you ever wanted to wonder where the battery light is, LED, it's right here, and it connects right into here. So right into there. Alright, so that, I forget what the fuck that's for. You probably see me just take it from somewhere, but yeah. Maybe in the next video when I get some Allen wrenches, Allen keys, I'll start tearing down the wheels here. Take them off, I mean. I can't really tear them down because I've seen someone try to take the rubber off of these and like disassemble the wheel somehow, but they couldn't. Because the motor is actually right inside of here, I think, in the wheel. This is just holding the wheel there. But yeah, I guess that's all. If you have any questions, leave a comment down there. That's what the scooter looks like, all broken. Okay guys, I know this is boring. Maybe if you give the video a like, it will help me out. I can get better camera equipment and microphones. And I'm gonna try and get a tripod, because right now I use this jug as a tripod, I guess. I'm sitting on the ground too, so you know, whatever. But yeah, if you like the video, give it a like. Comment maybe if you want. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in another video.